and gentlemen, today's video we address a possible downside to a Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro, and that is the seat. Now, if you've got first world problems and a posterior that hasn't been pounded by the LGBTQTRSTYZ plus community, then you may want to take better care of that virgin territory. This video is already going down the drain, right? Okay, coming from the KLR 650, you know, if anyone remembers that old workhorse, that mule, the classic, you were basically sitting on a beautiful seat made of rich mahogany. Yeah, that bad. So, doing what every modern man does, he checks YouTube for possible, how do we say, solutions. And one that did come to me was, yep. So I went ahead and shaved my back. No, this is proper merino sheepskin. The sheep in question's name was Barry. He lived a beautiful, secluded life in the Karoo, Tankwa region, and well, he got the chop. They even sent me a Zoom video so I could choose the one I wanted, and looking into his eyes, I knew immediately that what I was doing was the right choice. Jesus, I'm a morbid motherfucker. Coming back to it, first off, don't diss the 70s or the 80s. Sheepskin rug in front of the fireplace was on. It is beautiful. If you've got a harsh seat at work, just get yourself this, just throw it over. It is fantastic. So, that's one. And extra layer of comfort, I got some foam. What is this? 30 kilos per square and 35. So I'll probably go with the yellow one, because pink just isn't my color, even though I am a father of a beautiful young lady whose toenails I get to paint ever so often. Hey, when you're a dad, you can do this, right? And to fasten all of this, backpack straps. You can get these at any DIY store. These were about 20 Rand, which is about 20 US cents. And the best thing is, sheepskin, because it's from a youngster. Notice the shape. It's actually pretty damn perfect already. So, we just need to attach it now somewhere. Well, my thought is, up. There you go. Notice how perfect that is already? And obviously we're not doing the passenger seat because fuck them. Okay, when you are doing this, the leather is quite tough, so I only used an X-Acto knife, a rusty one. Hey, that's not good. Just to cut it through. And I'm going to have to learn how to stitch, because my idea here is, well, let's see, round about here, stitch, so it can be fastened once and twice. So in essence it would look like this. Also, please bear in mind that when you are doing this, make sure the buckles are on this side, because when the bike's on the center stand, you don't want to, be on one knee to fix this. Rather, when you're standing, it's facing you. It's easier. So let's see what I can do with stitching. And once that is stitched up reasonably, I have to figure out how to, not this foam, attach this foam. And with leather, that's difficult, because leather has got its own natural oils. I may have to put a stitch 1, 2, 3 and possibly epoxy it into place. Okay, but that's my problem to figure out. Yeah, okay, it's amateur hour here. So, I thought, hey, if it can catch carp, yeah, very good. for the soft fingers, scissors, and of course, big enough needle. Yeah, okay. Look, proof of concept at the moment. Just want to get both of those done, sling them around the seat and see if it actually works. And then I'll have to go through at least once more from the other side to make sure this is proper. Again, I don't know how long this is gonna last. Right? If it gets wet, I have no idea. Long-term project for my posterior. Let's do the other side. Yeah, when the apocalypse comes, I really have to rely on my jokes and pleasant disposition. Never mind. Okay. It's holding at least. Yeah. Okay, so let's put the seat on the bike. And wait, first we have to cut. First we have to cut the foam. Let's see how that goes. Okay, there we go. Wide area for the backside and a bit of padding for the good stuff. Do I need it in my old age? Well, they're already sitting back here, so... Okay, let's put this on the bike. Yeah, baby! Oh, the best Austin Powers impersonation, I suppose. A little unsightly, but doesn't really matter. Okay, let's see. Hey, hold on. Gotta pull the skin out of the crack. Okay. To be fair, this... Okay, let's just get out of the gutter, please. First off, no, it's not a BMW 1250 GS seat, okay? Those things are hella comfy. But this thing isn't bad, okay? I don't know how it's going to work long term, so I have to take it out tomorrow for a ride and see how it goes. I still have to attach the foam though, and the problem is, okay, my stitching isn't the best, but the way it's sitting now, I think it'll work. I can only imagine what this thing looks like if I go on a dirt road. Sorry, girl. How much conditioner do you use on this? Okay, let's go for a ride. Right, final verdict. This is what it looks like. Foam glued to it, straps which are easy to fasten, lifting off the seat, pulling tight. It's rock solid. Does it work? Surprisingly, yes. It's a whole new level of comfort. Now, I haven't tested it for a 6-hour, 7-hour journey, but I can definitely vouch for this thing that it will work. I also have not tested it during a rainstorm. I can only assume this thing will soak up most of the water, and then, the heated seat is not going to go through that, so there's the drawback. But I'm certain if this thing is wet, you just hang it somewhere and it'll dry relatively quickly. Else, you can always shave it down to the skin. Yeah. Okay, it does look odd, I'll give him that much. But if you have the same mindset as I am, don't care of other people's opinions and only be a narcissistic bastard who cares about his comfort, then you are most welcome in this channel. So yeah, there's a little side project for you. Oh, and if you decide this isn't for you, put it in your office chair. You'll be amazed at the level of comfort you suddenly have. So this is not a wasted investment. Or if you want to put it to some better use, if you've got a cat, or donate it to the local hospice or SPCA. They will love it too, because this is just perfect. Imagine a couple of kittens on here. Anyway, this was a wholesome project. I hope you had some fun watching me do this. Take care. Goodbye.